A thirsty crow. It was a hot day of summer. The burning rays of the sun had dried up the pools and ponds all around. Life was crippled thoroughly. A crow felt very thirsty. He flew here and there in search of water to quench his raging thirst. But he could find no water anywhere. The unbearable thirst had parched his throat completely. He feared that he would die soon if he could not find water. Therefore, he did not cease his search. At last, he arrived at a garden. To his good luck, there was a pitcher placed near a cottage. He felt very happy. He sat at the mouth of the pitcher and looked into it. To his grief, the water in the pitcher was a bit low. He could not get at it. He was utterly upset. By chance, he caught sight of a few pebbles lying nearby. He struck on a brilliant idea. He began to drop the pebbles into the pitcher one by one. The water began to rise slowly. He continued his labor till the water rose up to his reach. He drank water his fill and flew away happily. Moral: God helps those who help themselves.